Welcome to Simple Understanding channel. I hope that you enjoy the course of CPIM with us. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and share your comment below. In this video, we will continue with Module 4, Supply Management, which consists of 6 sections as the following. Section A, Creating and Validating the Master Schedule. Section B, Using and Maintaining the Master Schedule. Section C, Material Requirements Planning, MRP. Section D, Capacity Requirements Planning, CRP, and Scheduling. Section E, Suppliers and Purchasing. Section F, Changes and Product Lifecycle Management. Let's begin with Section A, Creating and Validating the Master Schedule. Overview. Creating and validating the master schedule is a crucial step in supply chain management. It involves developing a detailed plan that outlines what products need to be produced, in what quantities, and at what times. This schedule ensures that manufacturing operations align with the company's overall production goals and customer demand. Validation of the master schedule involves checking for feasibility and ensuring that all necessary resources, such as materials and labor, are available to meet the scheduled production. Key topics. 1. Purpose of the master schedule. The master schedule serves as the primary production plan, guiding manufacturing operations and ensuring alignment with business objectives. Example: Toyota. Toyota uses a master schedule to plan the production of its various car models. By creating a detailed production plan, Toyota ensures that it meets customer demand while optimizing the use of its manufacturing resources. 2 steps in creating the master schedule. A. Demand forecasting. Estimate future customer demand using historical data, market analysis, and sales forecasts. B. Resource planning. Determine the resources required to meet the forecasted demand, including materials, labor, and machinery. C. Schedule development. Create a detailed production timeline specifying what will be produced, when, and in what quantities. D. Validation. Verify the feasibility of the schedule by ensuring that all necessary resources are available. Example: Apple. Apple uses demand forecasting to predict the sales of its new iPhone models. Based on these forecasts, Apple plans its production schedules, ensuring that sufficient components and labor are available to meet the anticipated demand. 3. Validating the master schedule. Validation involves several key checks. A. Resource availability. Ensuring that materials, labor, and machinery are available to meet the production schedule. B. Capacity planning. Confirming that the production facilities have the capacity to handle the scheduled workload. C. Feasibility analysis. Assessing whether the production timeline is realistic given the company's constraints and capabilities. Example: Ford. Ford validates its master schedule by checking the availability of parts from suppliers and the capacity of its assembly lines. This validation process helps Ford avoid production delays and ensures timely delivery of vehicles to customers. 4 benefits of an effective master schedule. A. Improved efficiency. An effective master schedule helps streamline production processes, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. B. Better resource utilization. By planning resource requirements accurately, companies can optimize the use of materials, labor, and machinery. C. Enhanced customer satisfaction. Meeting production targets and delivery timelines leads to higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. Example: Procter & Gamble. Procter & Gamble, P&G, benefits from an effective master schedule by ensuring that its diverse range of products, such as detergents and personal care items, are produced efficiently and delivered to retailers on time. This leads to better shelf availability and higher customer satisfaction. 5. Challenges in creating and validating the master schedule. A. Demand variability. Fluctuations in customer demand can make it challenging to create an accurate master schedule. B. Resource constraints. Limited availability of materials, labor, or machinery can hinder the feasibility of the production plan. C. Coordination across departments. Ensuring that all departments, from procurement to production to sales, are aligned with the master schedule can be complex. Example: Samsung. Samsung faces challenges in creating and validating its master schedule due to the high variability in demand for its consumer electronics. By using advanced forecasting techniques and closely coordinating with suppliers and production teams, Samsung addresses these challenges and maintains efficient production processes. Conclusion: by understanding the importance of creating and validating the master schedule, companies can ensure that their production plans are realistic, resource-efficient, and aligned with customer demand, leading to improved operational performance and customer satisfaction. Section A Practice Test. 1. What is the primary purpose of the master schedule? A. To determine production costs. B. To plan sales strategies. C. To balance demand and supply. D. To reduce inventory. Correct answer: C. Overall explanation. The master schedule's primary purpose is to balance demand and supply by planning production and inventory. 2. Which element is crucial when creating a master schedule? A. Supplier contracts. B. Sales forecasts. C. Employee performance. D. Marketing strategies. Correct answer: B. Overall explanation. Sales forecasts are crucial in creating a master schedule as they provide the data needed to plan production. 3. How often should the master schedule be updated? A. Annually. B. Quarterly. C. Monthly. D. Weekly. Correct answer: D. Overall explanation. The master schedule should be updated weekly to reflect changes in demand and supply. 4. What is the role of the master scheduler? A. To manage employee schedules. B. To oversee financial budgets. C. To ensure the master schedule aligns with business objectives. D. To handle customer complaints. Correct answer: C. Overall explanation. The master scheduler ensures the master schedule aligns with business objectives, balancing supply and demand effectively. 5. Which tool is commonly used to validate the master schedule? A. Gantt chart. B. ERP system. C. SWOT analysis. D. PERT diagram. Correct answer: B. Overall explanation. ERP systems are commonly used to validate the master schedule by integrating data from various business processes. 6. What happens if the master schedule is not properly validated? A. Increased production efficiency. B. Improved customer satisfaction. C. Inaccurate demand planning. D. Enhanced supplier relationships. Correct answer: C. Overall explanation. If the master schedule is not properly validated, it can lead to inaccurate demand planning and disruptions in production. 7. Why is it important to consider lead times in the master schedule? A. To reduce costs. B. To improve employee morale. C. To ensure timely availability of materials. D. To increase production speed. Correct answer: C. Overall explanation. Considering lead times ensures that materials are available when needed, avoiding delays in production. 8. Which factor is most likely to disrupt the master schedule? A. Stable demand. B. Accurate forecasts. C. Sudden changes in customer orders. D. Consistent supplier performance. Correct answer: C. Overall explanation. Sudden changes in customer orders can disrupt the master schedule by altering the planned production quantities. 9. How does the master schedule impact inventory management? A. By decreasing stock levels. B. By increasing marketing efforts. C. By optimizing inventory levels to meet demand. D. By reducing supplier lead times. Correct answer: C. Overall explanation. The master schedule optimizes inventory levels by planning production to meet demand, avoiding overstock or stockouts. 10. What is the benefit of validating the master schedule against capacity constraints? A. Reduced production times. B. Increased inventory levels. C. Improved alignment of production with available capacity. D. Decreased customer satisfaction. Correct answer, C. Overall explanation. Validating the master schedule against capacity constraints ensures production plans are realistic and achievable, aligning with available resources. Section B. Using and maintaining the master schedule. Overview. Using and maintaining the master schedule is critical for ensuring ongoing alignment between production capabilities and market demand. This involves continuous monitoring, updating, and adjusting the schedule based on real-time data and changing conditions. An effective maintenance process ensures that the production schedule remains realistic and achievable, helping to prevent delays and bottlenecks. Key topics. 1. Execution of the master schedule. A. Implementation. The master schedule is translated into detailed work orders and production plans that guide daily manufacturing activities. B. Coordination. Departments such as procurement, production, and logistics work together to execute the master schedule effectively. Example: General Electric, GE. GE uses the master schedule to coordinate the production of its jet engines. This ensures that all components are manufactured and assembled on time, meeting delivery schedules for their aerospace customers. 2. Monitoring production progress. A. Tracking performance. Key performance indicators, KPIs, such as production output, cycle times, and quality metrics, are monitored to ensure adherence to the master schedule. B. Identifying variances. Any deviations from the schedule are quickly identified and analyzed to determine the root cause and implement corrective actions. Example: Tesla. Tesla continuously monitors its production lines for the Model 3 and Model Y. Real-time data on production rates and quality control help Tesla maintain its master schedule and address any issues promptly. 3. Updating the master schedule. A. Incorporating feedback. Feedback from production floors, sales teams, and supply chain partners is used to update the master schedule. B. Adjusting for changes. Changes in demand forecasts, supply disruptions, or production issues require adjustments to the master schedule to remain accurate and feasible. Example: Intel. Intel frequently updates its master schedule to reflect changes in semiconductor demand and supply chain constraints. This agility helps Intel maintain efficient production despite market fluctuations. 4. Maintaining data integrity. A. Accurate data collection. Reliable and timely data collection is essential for maintaining an accurate master schedule. B. Data integration. Integrating data from various sources such as sales, inventory, and production systems ensures a holistic view of the supply chain. Example: Amazon. Amazon maintains data integrity by integrating data from its vast network of warehouses, suppliers, and delivery systems. This comprehensive data helps Amazon adjust its master schedule to meet customer demands efficiently. 5. Benefits of using and maintaining the master schedule. A. Increased efficiency. Regular updates and adjustments to the master schedule ensure that production processes run smoothly, reducing downtime and waste. B. Enhanced flexibility. A well-maintained master schedule allows companies to quickly respond to changes in demand or supply chain disruptions. Improved customer satisfaction. Meeting delivery deadlines consistently leads to higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. Example: Boeing. Boeing benefits from using and maintaining a master schedule by ensuring that its complex production processes for commercial airplanes remain on track. This leads to timely deliveries and satisfied airline customers. 6 challenges in maintaining the master schedule. A. Dynamic market conditions. Rapid changes in market demand or competitive pressures can make it difficult to maintain an accurate schedule. B. Resource limitations. Limited availability of critical resources such as raw materials or skilled labor can disrupt the schedule. C. Coordination across teams. Ensuring seamless communication and collaboration across different departments and teams is essential but challenging. Example: Nike. Nike faces challenges in maintaining its master schedule due to the fast-paced nature of the fashion and athletic wear industry. By leveraging advanced planning systems and fostering close collaboration across design, production, and supply chain teams, Nike adapts its schedule to meet changing market demands. 7. Technological support. A. ERP systems. Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) systems integrate various business processes and provide real-time data for maintaining the master schedule. B. Advanced analytics. Predictive analytics and machine learning can identify trends and potential issues, helping to keep the master schedule accurate and up-to-date. Example: Siemens. Siemens uses ERP systems and advanced analytics to manage its production schedules for industrial automation equipment. This technology enables Siemens to maintain accuracy and respond swiftly to any changes in production requirements. Conclusion: by effectively using and maintaining the master schedule, companies can ensure their production processes are aligned with business goals and customer needs, leading to improved operational efficiency, flexibility, and customer satisfaction. Section B Practice Test. 1. What is the primary goal of maintaining the master schedule? A. To monitor inventory levels. B. To adjust production rates as needed. C. To control marketing strategies. D. To manage employee schedules. Correct answer: B. Overall explanation. Maintaining the master schedule involves adjusting production rates as needed to align with demand and capacity changes. 2. How often should the master schedule be reviewed? A. Annually. B. Quarterly. C. Monthly. D. Regularly, based on demand and production changes. Correct answer: D. Overall explanation. The master schedule should be reviewed regularly to ensure it remains aligned with current demand and production capabilities. 3. What is the impact of inaccurate data on the master schedule? A. Enhanced customer satisfaction. B. Decreased production efficiency. C. Increased marketing effectiveness. D. Improved supplier relationships. Correct answer: B. Overall explanation. Inaccurate data can lead to decreased production efficiency due to poor alignment of resources and demand. For which tool is most effective for maintaining the master schedule? A. SWOT analysis. B. Inventory turnover ratio. C. ERP system. D. Break-even analysis. Correct answer: C. Overall explanation. An ERP system is effective for maintaining the master schedule by integrating real-time data across various departments. 5. What should be considered when adjusting the master schedule? A. Employee preferences. B. Supplier holidays. C. Production lead times and capacity. D. Marketing budgets. Correct answer: C. Overall explanation. Production lead times and capacity should be considered when adjusting the master schedule to ensure feasibility and efficiency. 6. Why is it important to communicate changes in the master schedule? A. To increase inventory levels. B. To keep stakeholders informed and aligned. C. To enhance employee productivity. D. To improve marketing strategies. Correct answer: B. Overall explanation. Communicating changes in the master schedule ensures that all stakeholders are informed and can adjust their plans accordingly. 7. What is a potential risk of not maintaining the master schedule? A. Increased employee morale. B. Consistent production output. C. Production bottlenecks and delays. D. Reduced marketing efforts. Correct answer, C. Overall explanation. Not maintaining the master schedule can lead to production bottlenecks and delays due to misalignment with demand and capacity. 8. How does demand variability affect the master schedule? A. It stabilizes production output. B. It increases the need for schedule adjustments. C. It reduces the need for inventory management. D. It has no effect on the schedule. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. Demand variability increases the need for schedule adjustments to ensure production aligns with changing demand. 9. What role does feedback play in maintaining the master schedule? A. It helps in increasing production costs. B. It provides insights for schedule adjustments. C. It reduces employee engagement. D. It is irrelevant to the process. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. Feedback provides valuable insights for making necessary adjustments to the master schedule, improving overall efficiency. 10. Which of the following best describes the concept of frozen zones in the master schedule? Periods where no changes are allowed. B. Times of high production flexibility. C. Periods of increased marketing efforts. D. Times of employee evaluations. Correct answer, A. Overall explanation. Frozen zones refer to periods in the master schedule where no changes are allowed, usually to avoid disruptions in production. Section C. Material Requirements Planning, MRP. Overview. Material Requirements Planning, MRP, is a system used to manage manufacturing processes by ensuring that materials are available for production and products are available for delivery to customers. MRP helps in planning inventory, scheduling production, and ensuring that the right materials are available at the right time. Key topics. 1. Basic concepts of MRP. A. Demand-driven planning. MRP uses demand forecasts and actual orders to determine the required materials and schedule production. B. Bill of Materials, BOM. A BOM lists all the materials and components needed to produce a finished product. C. Inventory status records. These records keep track of inventory levels, including quantities on hand, on order, and allocated. Example: Toyota. Toyota uses MRP to manage the production of its vehicles. The BOM for each car model includes thousands of components, and MRP ensures that all parts are available when needed for assembly. 2. Steps in the MRP process. A. Netting inventory. Calculating the net requirements by considering current inventory levels and scheduled receipts. B. Lot sizing. Determining the order quantity for each component, balancing inventory holding costs and ordering costs. C. Scheduling orders. Planning the timing of orders to ensure materials arrive just in time for production. Example: Apple. Apple uses MRP to manage the production of its iPhones. The process involves netting inventory to determine how many components need to be ordered and scheduling these orders to align with the production schedule. 3. Benefits of MRP. A. Improved inventory management. MRP helps reduce excess inventory and minimize stockouts by aligning material orders with production schedules. B. Enhanced production efficiency. By ensuring materials are available when needed, MRP reduces production delays and downtime. C. Better customer service. Timely production and delivery of products lead to higher customer satisfaction. Example: Dell. Dell benefits from MRP by managing its inventory more efficiently and ensuring that parts are available for its build-to-order computer manufacturing process, leading to faster delivery times for customers. 4. Challenges of MRP. A. Data accuracy. MRP relies on accurate data for demand forecasts, inventory levels, and lead times. Inaccurate data can lead to planning errors. B. Complexity. Managing a large number of components and materials can be complex and requires robust systems. C. Integration. MRP needs to be integrated with other systems such as ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, to ensure seamless data flow. Example: Ford. Ford faces challenges in maintaining data accuracy for its MRP system due to the complexity of its supply chain and the large number of components required for vehicle production. 5. MRP and supply chain management. A. Supplier coordination. MRP systems help in coordinating with suppliers to ensure timely delivery of materials. B. Demand management. Aligning production plans with demand forecasts to optimize inventory levels and production schedules. C. Capacity planning. Ensuring that production capacity is aligned with material availability to meet production goals. Example: Procter & Gamble, P&G. P&G uses MRP to coordinate with its suppliers for the timely delivery of raw materials required for its wide range of consumer products, ensuring smooth production and supply chain operations. 6. Technological advancements in MRP. A. Integration with ERP systems. Modern MRP systems are often integrated with ERP systems to provide a comprehensive view of the entire production process. B. Cloud-based MRP. Cloud-based MRP systems offer real-time data access, scalability, and flexibility. C. Advanced analytics. Leveraging advanced analytics to predict demand more accurately and optimize material planning. Example: Nike. Nike uses advanced cloud-based MRP systems integrated with its ERP to manage its global supply chain, allowing for real-time tracking and adjustment of material requirements. Conclusion: by effectively implementing and managing MRP systems, organizations can streamline their manufacturing processes, optimize inventory levels, and improve overall operational efficiency, leading to cost savings and enhanced customer satisfaction. Section C Practice Test. 1. What is the primary purpose of Material Requirements Planning, MRP? A. To manage employee schedules. B. To ensure that materials are available for production. C. To control marketing budgets. D. To enhance customer service. Correct answer: B. Overall explanation. The primary purpose of MRP is to ensure that materials are available for production when needed. 2. Which of the following is a key input to the MRP process? A. Employee performance reviews. B. Supplier contracts. C. Master production schedule, MPS. D. Marketing plans. Correct answer: C. Overall explanation. The Master Production Schedule, MPS, is a key input to MRP, as it outlines the production plan. 3. How does MRP help in inventory management? A. By increasing inventory levels. B. By reducing excess inventory and stockouts. C. By eliminating the need for inventory. D. By stabilizing demand fluctuations. Correct answer: B. Overall explanation. MRP helps in inventory management by reducing excess inventory and avoiding stockouts through precise planning. 4. What does the term planned order release refer to in MRP? A. The final product shipment date. B. The schedule for releasing raw materials to production. C. The employee work schedule. D. The marketing campaign launch. Correct answer: B. Overall explanation. Planned order release in MRP refers to the schedule for releasing raw materials to production based on requirements. 5. What is a potential consequence of inaccurate data in MRP? A. Improved production efficiency. B. Reduced material waste. C. Production delays and stockouts. D. Enhanced customer satisfaction. Correct answer: C. Overall explanation. Inaccurate data in MRP can lead to production delays and stockouts, disrupting the production process. 6. How does MRP contribute to production scheduling? A. By eliminating the need for production schedules. B. By determining the timing and quantity of materials required. C. By focusing solely on marketing efforts. D. By increasing supplier lead times. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. MRP contributes to production scheduling by determining the timing and quantity of materials required for production. 7. Which software tool is commonly used to implement MRP? A. Customer Relationship Management, CRM. B. Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP. C. SWOT Analysis. D. Balanced Scorecard. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. ERP systems are commonly used to implement MRP by integrating various business processes, including material planning. 8. What is the role of lead time in MRP? A. To determine customer delivery dates. B. To set marketing budgets. C. To calculate when orders should be placed. D. To evaluate employee performance. Correct answer, C. Overall explanation. Lead time in MRP is used to calculate when orders should be placed to ensure timely availability of materials. 9. How does MRP handle changes in demand? A. By ignoring them. B. By adjusting the material requirements dynamically. C. By freezing production schedules. D. By increasing inventory levels. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. MRP handles changes in demand by dynamically adjusting the material requirements to align with the updated demand forecast. 10. Which of the following best describes the concept of Bill of Materials, BOM, in MRP? A. A list of all suppliers. B. A detailed listing of all components required to produce a finished product. C. A marketing budget breakdown. D. An employee roster. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. The Bill of Materials, BOM, in MRP is a detailed listing of all components required to produce a finished product. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and share your comment below. Section D, Capacity Requirements Planning, CRP, and Scheduling. Overview. Capacity Requirements Planning, CRP, is the process of determining the production capacity needed by an organization to meet changing demands for its products. CRP takes into account both the available capacity and the required capacity to ensure that production schedules can be met without overloading resources. Scheduling, on the other hand, involves creating a timeline for the production process to ensure that resources are used efficiently and production targets are met. Key topics. 1. Basic concepts of CRP. A. Capacity. The maximum output that a manufacturing facility can produce under normal conditions. B. Load. The amount of work assigned to a specific resource or production facility over a given period. C. Work center. A specific area in a manufacturing facility where production operations are performed. Example: Boeing. Boeing uses CRP to manage the production of its aircraft. Each work center in the production facility is monitored to ensure it has the necessary capacity to handle the workload, from assembling fuselage sections to installing avionics. 2. Steps in CRP process. A. Determine capacity requirements. Based on the Master Production Schedule, MPS, and Material Requirements Planning, MRP, outputs, calculate the total capacity required for each work center. B. Compare available capacity. Compare the required capacity with the available capacity to identify any capacity shortages or excesses. C. Adjust production plans. If there are capacity shortages, adjust production plans by rescheduling work, adding shifts, or outsourcing. If there is excess capacity, reduce shifts or reallocate resources. Example: Toyota. Toyota uses CRP to balance the workload across its various production lines. If one work center is overloaded, production planners can adjust the schedules or reassign tasks to ensure smooth operations. 3. Benefits of CRP. A. Optimized resource utilization. Ensures that resources such as labor, machinery, and materials are used efficiently, reducing idle time and bottlenecks. B. Improved production planning. Helps in creating realistic production schedules that can be met with available capacity. C. Enhanced customer satisfaction. By meeting production schedules and delivery deadlines, customer satisfaction is improved. Example: General Electric, GE. GE uses CRP to optimize the use of its manufacturing resources. This leads to more efficient production processes, ensuring that products are delivered to customers on time. 4. Challenges of CRP. A. Data accuracy. Accurate data on available capacity and workload is crucial for effective CRP. Inaccurate data can lead to incorrect planning. B. Dynamic changes. Changes in demand, machine breakdowns, or labor issues can disrupt capacity plans, requiring constant adjustments. C. Complexity. Managing capacity across multiple work centers and production lines can be complex and requires sophisticated planning tools. Example: Ford. Ford faces challenges in maintaining accurate data on its production capacity and workload, which can complicate its CRP efforts. To address this, Ford invests in advanced monitoring and planning systems. 5. Scheduling in CRP. A. Forward scheduling. Planning the production start date from the present and scheduling forward to determine the end date. B. Backward scheduling. Starting from the due date and scheduling backward to determine the start date. C. Finite versus infinite scheduling. Finite scheduling considers actual resource constraints, while infinite scheduling assumes unlimited resources. Example: Intel. Intel uses backward scheduling to meet tight delivery deadlines for its semiconductor products. This ensures that production starts at the optimal time to meet the end date requirements. 6. Integration with other systems. A. ERP integration. CRP systems are often integrated with ERP systems to ensure seamless data flow and coordination between capacity planning and other business functions. B. Advanced planning and scheduling (APS) systems. APS systems provide more sophisticated tools for scheduling and capacity planning, offering real-time updates and optimization capabilities. Example: Siemens. Siemens integrates its CRP with ERP and APS systems to manage its global production facilities. This allows for real-time adjustments and optimization of production schedules. 7. Technological advancements in CRP. A. Real-time data monitoring. Using IoT devices and sensors to monitor production capacity and workload in real time. B. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Leveraging AI and ML to predict capacity needs, optimize schedules, and handle dynamic changes efficiently. C. Cloud-based solutions. Implementing cloud-based CRP systems for better scalability, accessibility, and collaboration across multiple locations. Example: Tesla. Tesla uses advanced AI and real-time data monitoring to manage its production capacity. This technology helps Tesla quickly adapt to changes in demand and production conditions, ensuring efficient use of resources. Conclusion: by effectively using CRP and scheduling, organizations can ensure that they have the right capacity to meet production demands, optimize resource utilization, and maintain high levels of customer satisfaction. Section D Practice Test. 1. What is the primary purpose of Capacity Requirements Planning, CRP? A. To forecast customer demand. B. To ensure that sufficient production capacity is available. C. To manage supplier contracts. D. To improve employee satisfaction. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. CRP ensures that there is sufficient production capacity to meet the production schedule. 2. Which of the following is a key input to CRP? A. Financial budgets. B. Master production schedule, MPS. C. Marketing plans. D. Supplier lead times. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. The Master Production Schedule, MPS, is a key input to CRP as it outlines the production plan. 3. How does CRP help in production scheduling? A. By reducing the need for inventory management. B. By aligning production capacity with production needs. C. By focusing on sales forecasting. D. By eliminating production delays. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. CRP helps align production capacity with production needs, ensuring resources are used efficiently. 4. What is the role of work centers in CRP? A. To track customer orders. B. To provide capacity for specific production operations. C. To manage financial resources. D. To monitor market trends. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. Work centers in CRP provide the necessary capacity for specific production operations, contributing to overall scheduling. 5. What can happen if CRP is not accurately managed? A. Increased production efficiency. B. Decreased material costs. C. Production bottlenecks and delays. D. Improved customer satisfaction. Correct answer, C. Overall explanation. Inaccurate CRP can lead to production bottlenecks and delays, negatively impacting the production schedule. 6. How does CRP interact with material requirements planning, MRP? A. CRP and MRP operate independently. B. CRP follows MRP to ensure capacity meets material requirements. C. CRP sets material requirements for MRP. D. CRP and MRP are unrelated processes. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. CRP follows MRP to ensure that the production capacity meets the material requirements planned in MRP. 7. Which software tool is commonly used for CRP? A. Customer Relationship Management, CRM. B. Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP. C. SWOT Analysis. D. Gantt Charts. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. ERP systems are commonly used for CRP to integrate capacity planning with other business processes. 8. What is the impact of lead time on CRP? A. Lead time does not affect CRP. B. Lead time determines when production resources need to be allocated. C. Lead time reduces the need for capacity planning. D. Lead time only affects material procurement. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. Lead time in CRP determines when production resources need to be allocated to meet the production schedule. 9. How does CRP handle changes in production demand? A. By freezing the production schedule. B. By dynamically adjusting capacity based on updated requirements. C. By ignoring demand changes. D. By increasing inventory levels. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. CRP dynamically adjusts capacity to meet changes in production demand, ensuring efficient resource use. 10. What is the role of finite scheduling in CRP? A. To set marketing budgets. B. To ensure that work is scheduled within available capacity limits. C. To manage financial reporting. D. To evaluate employee performance. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. Finite scheduling in CRP ensures that work is scheduled within available capacity limits, avoiding overloading resources. Section E. Suppliers and Purchasing. Overview. Suppliers and purchasing are critical components of supply chain management. Effective supplier management ensures that materials and services are available when needed, while strategic purchasing decisions can significantly impact a company's cost structure and overall efficiency. This section covers the processes, strategies, and best practices for managing suppliers and purchasing activities. Key topics. 1. Supplier selection and evaluation. A. Criteria for selection. Quality of products or services. Reliability and consistency. Cost competitiveness. Financial stability. Compliance with regulatory standards. Geographic location. B. Evaluation methods. Supplier scorecards. Performance reviews. Site visits. Customer references. Example: Apple. Apple rigorously selects and evaluates its suppliers based on quality, innovation, and capacity to meet high-volume demands. They regularly audit their suppliers to ensure compliance with their standards. 2. Strategic sourcing. Definition. Strategic sourcing is a systematic process that directs purchasing decisions towards long-term, cost-effective, and quality-oriented solutions. Benefits: cost savings, improved quality, stronger supplier relationships, risk mitigation. Example: General Motors, GM. GM employs strategic sourcing to negotiate better terms with suppliers, focusing on building long-term partnerships that enhance quality and reduce costs. 3. Purchasing processes. A. Purchase requisition. The internal document that initiates the purchase of goods or services. B. Purchase order. The official order issued to a supplier, detailing the products or services required, quantities, and agreed prices. C. Invoice processing. The method of reviewing, approving, and paying supplier invoices. Example: Walmart. Walmart's purchasing process is highly automated, using advanced technology to manage purchase orders, track shipments, and process invoices efficiently. 4. Supplier relationship management, SRM. Importance. Building strong relationships with suppliers can lead to better prices, improved quality, and more reliable deliveries. Key activities: regular communication, joint development initiatives, performance feedback, conflict resolution. Example: Toyota. Toyota's SRM practices are centered on collaboration and continuous improvement. They work closely with suppliers to enhance quality and efficiency through their Toyota Production System principles. 5. Contract management. Elements of a contract. Terms and conditions. Pricing and payment terms. Delivery schedules. Quality standards. Penalties for non-compliance. Best practices. Regularly review and update contracts. Clearly define roles and responsibilities. Monitor compliance and performance. Example: Siemens. Siemens maintains detailed contracts with its suppliers, outlining specific requirements and expectations to ensure clarity and accountability. 6. Risk management in supply chain. Identifying risks. Supply disruptions. Quality issues. Financial instability of suppliers. Geopolitical factors. Mitigation strategies. Diversifying the supplier base. Holding safety stock. Establishing contingency plans. Regular risk assessments. Example: Nestlé. Nestlé uses a robust risk management framework to identify potential supply chain risks and implement strategies to mitigate them, ensuring continuous supply. 7. Sustainable and ethical sourcing. Sustainability practices. Sourcing from environmentally responsible suppliers. Reducing carbon footprint. Encouraging sustainable practices among suppliers. Ethical considerations. Ensuring fair labor practices. Avoiding suppliers involved in unethical activities. Promoting diversity and inclusion. Example: Unilever. Unilever's sustainable sourcing strategy focuses on sourcing raw materials from suppliers who meet their stringent environmental and social standards. 8. Technological advancements in purchasing. A. E-procurement. The use of digital systems to manage purchasing processes from requisition to payment. B. Supplier portals. Online platforms that facilitate communication and transactions between buyers and suppliers. C. Data analytics. Leveraging big data to analyze purchasing patterns, supplier performance, and market trends. Example: Procter & Gamble, P&G. P&G uses advanced data analytics and e-procurement systems to streamline their purchasing processes, improve supplier collaboration, and gain insights into market trends. Conclusion: effective management of suppliers and purchasing activities is vital for ensuring a smooth and efficient supply chain. By selecting reliable suppliers, employing strategic sourcing, managing contracts effectively, and leveraging technology, companies can achieve cost savings, improve quality, and mitigate risks. Additionally, focusing on sustainable and ethical sourcing practices enhances a company's reputation and contributes to long-term success. Section E Practice Test. 1. What is the main goal of supplier management? A. To increase marketing expenses. B. To ensure a reliable supply of materials. C. To focus on employee performance. D. To reduce customer satisfaction. Correct answer: B. Overall explanation. The main goal of supplier management is to ensure a reliable and consistent supply of materials. 2. Which document is crucial for defining the terms of supplier relationships? A. Sales order. B. Purchase order. C. Supplier contract. D. Delivery receipt. Correct answer: C. Overall explanation. A supplier contract is crucial for defining the terms and conditions of supplier relationships. 3. What is a primary benefit of strategic sourcing? A. Higher material costs. B. Reduced supplier collaboration. C. Improved supplier relationships and cost savings. D. Increased production delays. Correct answer: C. Overall explanation. Strategic sourcing improves supplier relationships and can lead to cost savings through better terms and negotiations. 4. Which process involves evaluating supplier performance? A. Order fulfillment. B. Supplier auditing. C. Product design. D. Inventory management. Correct answer: B. Overall explanation. Supplier auditing involves evaluating and monitoring supplier performance to ensure quality and compliance. 5. What is a common metric for assessing supplier performance? A. Customer satisfaction. B. Cost of goods sold. C. On-time delivery. D. Marketing ROI. Correct answer: C. Overall explanation. On-time delivery is a common metric used to assess supplier performance and reliability. 6. How does effective purchasing impact inventory management? A. It increases the number of suppliers. B. It reduces the need for inventory control. C. It helps maintain optimal inventory levels. D. It eliminates the need for forecasting. Correct answer: C. Overall explanation. Effective purchasing helps maintain optimal inventory levels by ensuring timely and accurate material procurement. 7. What is the role of a purchase order, PO? A. To track employee hours. B. To document supplier invoices. C. To confirm the purchase of goods or services. D. To manage production schedules. Correct answer: C. Overall explanation. A purchase order, PO, confirms the purchase of goods or services and details the terms of the transaction. 8. Why is supplier risk management important? A. To increase production costs. B. To ensure continuity and mitigate potential disruptions. C. To focus solely on marketing strategies. D. To limit supplier options. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. Supplier risk management is important for ensuring continuity and mitigating potential disruptions in the supply chain. 9. What is a key component of a supplier evaluation process? A. Product design review. B. Supplier onboarding. C. Contract negotiation. D. Performance metrics. Correct answer, D. Overall explanation. Performance metrics are a key component of the supplier evaluation process used to assess and compare supplier performance. 10. How does technology improve the purchasing process? A. By increasing manual paperwork. B. By providing real-time data and analytics. C. By reducing supplier transparency. D. By complicating order management. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. Technology improves the purchasing process by providing real-time data and analytics, which aids in better decision-making and efficiency. Section F. Changes and Product Lifecycle Management. Overview. Changes and Product Lifecycle Management, PLM, play a pivotal role in ensuring that products remain competitive, compliant, and aligned with market demands throughout their entire lifecycle. This involves managing changes efficiently, driving innovation, and maintaining quality from the introduction to the decline of a product. Key topics. 1. Change management. Definition. Change management is the structured approach to transitioning individuals, teams, and organizations from a current state to a desired future state. Key components. This includes identifying the need for change, assessing its impact, planning, implementing, and monitoring the change. Example. Microsoft regularly implements change management strategies for software updates. For example, when transitioning from Windows 7 to Windows 10, Microsoft provided extensive support, training, and resources to ensure a smooth transition for users and businesses. 2. Product life cycle stages. Introduction. The phase where the product is launched into the market. Marketing and initial sales efforts are crucial. Growth. The product gains market acceptance and sales increase. Efforts focus on expanding market reach and improving product features. Maturity. Sales peak and stabilize. The focus shifts to maximizing profit, optimizing production, and maintaining market share. Decline. Sales decline as the product becomes outdated or less popular. Strategies include reducing costs, phasing out the product, or innovating new products. Example. Apple's iPhone. Since its introduction in 2007, the iPhone has gone through the growth and maturity stages, with new models released annually to sustain market dominance. Apple's continuous innovation and feature enhancements have kept the product relevant and competitive. 3. Product development and innovation. Research and development, R&D, investing in new technologies and product improvements to stay ahead of the competition. Innovation. Developing new products or enhancing existing ones to meet evolving market needs and consumer preferences. Example. Tesla continuously invests in R&D to innovate with electric vehicle technology. Tesla's introduction of self-driving features and improvements in battery technology exemplify its commitment to innovation. 4. Cross-functional collaboration. Definition. Involves different departments working together to ensure product success. Key areas: collaboration between R&D, marketing, finance, supply chain, and customer service is essential for comprehensive product development and launch. Example. Google uses cross-functional teams for product development, ensuring comprehensive input and efficient execution. For instance, the development of Google Home involved collaboration between hardware engineers, software developers, marketing, and customer support teams. 5. Regulatory compliance and quality control. Compliance ensuring that products adhere to industry standards and regulations, which is critical for market acceptance and legal compliance. Quality control, maintaining high-quality standards throughout the product lifecycle to ensure customer satisfaction and product reliability. Example: pharmaceutical industry. Pfizer companies like Pfizer adhere to strict regulatory standards, e.g., FDA regulations, and conduct rigorous quality control to ensure the safety and efficacy of their medications. 6. Sustainability and end-of-life management. Sustainable practices, incorporating eco-friendly materials and processes in product design and manufacturing. End-of-life management, developing strategies for product disposal, recycling, or repurposing to minimize environmental impact. Example: Dell implements take-back programs for recycling old computers, promoting sustainability and reducing electronic waste. Dell's closed-loop recycling program reuses materials from old electronics in new products. 7. Customer feedback and continuous improvement. Feedback, collecting customer input through surveys, reviews, and direct interactions to improve products. Continuous improvement, using customer feedback and performance data to make ongoing enhancements to products and processes. Example: Amazon leverages customer reviews and data analytics to continuously improve product offerings and services. For instance, Amazon uses feedback to refine its recommendation algorithms and enhance the shopping experience. 8. Risk management in product lifecycle. Identifying risks, recognizing potential risks such as market changes, supply chain disruptions, and technological advancements. Mitigation strategies, developing strategies like diversification, contingency planning, and regular risk assessments to mitigate potential risks. Example: Samsung implements comprehensive risk management strategies to navigate technological changes and market competition, ensuring resilience and adaptability. 9. Product portfolio management. Definition: managing a collection of products to achieve strategic objectives and maximize overall value. Key activities: analyzing product performance, balancing investments, and prioritizing projects to optimize the product portfolio. Example: Procter & Gamble, P&G manages a diverse portfolio of consumer goods, regularly assessing performance and market trends to make informed decisions about product development, continuation, or discontinuation. Conclusion: effective management of changes and the product lifecycle ensures that products remain competitive, meet customer needs, and comply with regulations. By leveraging innovation, cross-functional collaboration, and continuous improvement, organizations can successfully navigate the complexities of the product lifecycle and achieve long-term business success. Section F Practice Test. 1. What is the primary objective of product lifecycle management? A. To increase production costs. B. To manage the different stages of a product's life. C. To reduce marketing efforts. D. To focus on supply chain inefficiencies. Correct answer: B. Overall explanation. The primary objective of product lifecycle management is to manage the different stages a product goes through from introduction to decline. 2. During which stage of the product lifecycle is market research most critical? A. Introduction. B. Growth. C. Maturity. D. Decline. Correct answer: A. Overall explanation. Market research is most critical during the introduction stage to understand customer needs and market potential. 3. What is a key characteristic of the maturity stage in the product lifecycle? A. Rapidly increasing sales. B. Declining sales. C. Stable sales and market saturation. D. Initial product development. Correct answer: C. Overall explanation. In the maturity stage, sales stabilize and the market becomes saturated, leading to stable sales. 4. How does the decline stage affect product management? A. Increased marketing investments. B. Introduction of new features. C. Decrease in sales and potential phase-out. D. Expansion into new markets. Correct answer, C. Overall explanation. In the decline stage, sales decrease, and there may be decisions about phasing out the product or reducing investments. 5. What is a common strategy during the growth stage of a product lifecycle? A. Cost reduction through economies of scale. B. Product discontinuation. C. Market exit. D. Increased research and development for new features. Correct answer, A. Overall explanation. During the growth stage, a common strategy is to reduce costs through economies of scale to maximize profitability. 6. What role does product life cycle management play in new product development? A. It delays the introduction of new products. B. It guides the development of products based on market needs. C. It eliminates the need for market analysis. D. It focuses solely on cost-cutting measures. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. Product life cycle management guides the development of new products by analyzing the needs and performance of existing products. 7. What is a common challenge during the introduction stage of a product life cycle? A. High competition. B. Low customer awareness. C. High market saturation. D. Decreased production costs. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. A common challenge during the introduction stage is low customer awareness and the need to build market presence. 8. How does product life cycle management impact inventory planning? A. It increases inventory holding costs. B. It ensures inventory levels match the product life cycle stage. C. It eliminates the need for inventory forecasting. D. It focuses only on raw material procurement. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. Product life cycle management helps ensure inventory levels align with the current stage of the product life cycle, optimizing inventory planning. 9. What is the impact of product life cycle management on pricing strategies? A. It standardizes pricing across all stages. B. It helps adjust pricing based on the stage of the product life cycle. C. It ignores market trends. D. It focuses on cost-only pricing. Correct answer, B. Overall explanation. Product life cycle management assists in adjusting pricing strategies based on the product stage in its life cycle. 10. What is a key activity during the decline stage of a product life cycle? A. Aggressive market expansion. B. Investment in product innovation. C. Cost reduction and product phase-out. D. Launch of new promotional campaigns. Correct answer, C. Overall explanation. During the decline stage, key activities include cost reduction and potential phase-out of the product. That's all. We've just completed Module 4 of the CPIM course on the supply management, covering 6 informative sections. You'll find all the materials and more than 2,500 practice test questions and explanations in the downloadable link in the description, so don't forget to take a look. If you're excited for Module 5, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot.